Who invented the first ever motion picture camera? So the answer is Thomas Edison and Louis Le Prince. Cinematography was a device used for cinematography device used for camera, a projector and film printer all in one, capturing images, recording sound, camera, a projector and a film printer all in one. That's, I think so. So the next question is, what is the term for a shot that shows the subject within their surrounding environment? Shot, video, surrounding environment, that will be a wide shot. Surrounding environment है ना, तो listen it. Surrounding environment mean a very image of the nearest one also will be in the footage, so that must be a wide shot. That must be a wide shot. So it's again, we have got some problems, so let's get started from the question number 5. What was the name of the editing system developed in 1971? What was the name of editing system in 1971? And the options are CMX and CMX 600 and ABC editor and Barony Scan XP. None of the given. No, CMX 605. This is the answer. Yes. The next one is, which one of these resolution for full HD? Full HD resolution. What is full HD resolution? This is the question, and that would be 1922 1080. That's full HD. Full HD mean 1920 by 1080. So this is full HD. So the next question is the seventh question. In which window can you preview your video in video editing software? In which window can you preview your video in video editing software? So it would be preview window, source window, effect window, program window, graphic window. In which window can you preview your video in video editing? Video editing में जो so the answer is video editing में जो विंडो होती है जिसमें आप अपना सारा देख रहे होते हैं, वो क्या होती है? प्रोग्राम विंडो। प्रीव्यू योर वीडियो इन वीडियो एडिटिंग। प्रीव्यू, that would be a preview window or program window. So the next question is, in which stage do you edit video? In next stage do you edit video? In pre-production, basically that is so that must be post-production. That must be post-production, because pre-production, the idea, production, the video recording, and post-production, no, that would be in pre-production. That would be in pre-production. In which stage do you edit video? That's the question. So the answer is in the post-production stage. Okay, the post-production stage, that is my answer, the post-production stage. Okay, the next one, when was the moviola introduced? When was the moviola introduced? Pardon me, when was the moviola introduced? The options are 1984, 1924, 2004, 19. So it's the option is, the answer is 1924. 1924. So the next one is, which of these is an example of post-production? Color correction, adding title screens, adding music, all of the given, Janab. Why the answer is this? Because in post-production, which of these is an example of a post-production effect of video editing software? I'm going to do it easy for you. In editing software, color correction available, adding title screens available, adding music available. So these three, so the real answer is all of the giving options. That is the correct answer for you. So make it clear, and I am gonna share it with you. Okay, so the next one is, so the answer is, let me check again, which of these is an example of a post-production effect of video editing software? So the correct is all of the giving options. So I'm firm on it, I'm totally 100% on it. So I'm gonna give you and I'm gonna correct. So save and move to the next option. Your quiz have been successfully submitted. So I must put OK here right now, and then we will be able to produce it to the next, that what is going to happen. So let me just clear it, and I'm going to press it OK now. Yes. So guys, the quiz is attempted, so I am requesting you that, and my result is 7, marks are 10, result is 7, status is attempted. So it's more than 70%, not bad. So if you're watching on my channel, so must subscribe and hit the bell icon for all English lectures and English videos, and for all Urdu lectures and Urdu videos must subscribe Murshid Urdu Professor MA Raza, and for logic and philosophy in Urdu or in English, and my web series must subscribe Sheikh al-Islam, or in Urdu, Jame Darulum, Sheikh al-Islam. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day.